This air fryer baby corn is crispy, flavorful, and so addictive, you might just eat the whole batch before dinner. Best of all, it's actually healthy and only takes 15 minutes to make. This will have you asking yourself, why didn't I think of that? Let me show you how to make it. Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking baby corn in the air fryer. What we need is baby corn. I'm using the fresh baby corn that I got at Trader Joe's. This one is already washed and ready to use. You can also use frozen baby corn. If you're cooking it from frozen, the exact same instructions, just add 5 more minutes to cooking time. So what we need to do is put our baby corn in a bowl. And since it's pre-washed, it's so simple. I'll just dump it here in a bowl. And now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. And then season with your favorite seasonings. I'm going to use garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. And then toss it so the baby corn is coated with oil and seasonings. And next, let's take out the air fryer basket and put baby corn in the air fryer basket. And put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 14 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and just shake the corn so it cooks more evenly. See, it's already starting to brown. And then put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the baby corn. Wow, look at that, it looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now let's take this corn and take it out of the air fryer and put it on a plate. Perfect, looks so nicely grilled. It was so easy. Perfect. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. I love baby corn. So I'm piercing it with a fork. It's tender enough to pierce with a fork. And now let's try it. It's tender. So delicious. So full of flavor. This is a perfect way to cook baby corn. You will love it. Please give it a try. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!